So if you're a Chevy Cruze owner, there's a good chance you're going to face this sooner or later. One we have is about 130,000 miles on it, and this turbo made a whole lot of bad sounds and crazy rattling and everything else, and I didn't get a check engine light for some reason. But when I did check with the scanner, code scanner, I got a PO 299 underboost situation. Anyway, I wasn't sure, but everything pointed to it, so I took it off. And there we go. It should not do that at all. Yeah, new one's on the way in today. Just letting y'all know it's coming.